Hi, welcome to Tiny Creature Hub. Before I start, please do subscribe my channel if you haven't. This is a Moon Cactus that I bought at my Pongo plant nursery. It cost me about $4 because of the little baby they are growing. That's why I buy this Moon Cactus. Actually, crafted cactus I would not buy, but because it look very cute and the color I like it, and the body look like one layer, so I bought it. So I need to repot it now. So this is a bigger part, so I need to repot it. Now I put some rocks that I pick up from the road. I save money lah, don't anyhow buy thing. So this type of rock just to block the soil from going out of the drainage hole lah. So you can just pick up lah. Okay, now we simply remove the small part from the cactus. This Moon Cactus, very long stem there. So we slowly twist and turn and let the small part come out. Now we just gently press on the soil and remove it. Slowly remove it. Don't spoil the roots. Just press and remove it. Slowly. Now I fast forward lah. I say slowly, but I fast forward. So you all slowly remove it. Okay, for the soil I use the Horti Cactus Potting mix. Simple lah, no need to do my own mix. Just use the 4.95 soil. I still have a lot, so use it lah. Now you need to just pour a portion of the soil inside of this cactus mix. Slowly, don't let the soil come out from the drainage hole. This is a small portion, but you need to press the soil to make it very firm. It's a lot of people never do that. You need to press it hard for the soil to be very firm. Now then you put more soil around it. Just slowly put around it. It's all from the Horti Cactus mix. Then after that, you also need to press it down by using your finger, or you go and get a teaspoon to press it down. No need to put until the top lah, just somewhere there, and then after you press it until very firm, you see it stand very straight, then you mix some pebble stone on top so that it won't fall to the left or right. This is some aquarium stone. So after I repotted this, I will not water it for a few days. I think I will not water it at all until it is shrink and dry. Then I will water it on around the surface, not at the stem there. Complete. Thank you for watching.